pause and check this out. Today's video we are going to be talking about differentiation. This is topic in calculus, differentiation, very core topic you have to know. So how do you differentiate? The first thing you have to know that differentiation of any number is what? 0. Most likely has got the y x in most cases. So differentiation of any number is 0. You have to know that maybe differentiation of 100, what is differentiation of 100? You said what? DDX of 100, you said what? 0. Division of any number, 1 million. Division of anything, it is what? Of any number, it is what? 0. But assuming you are differentiating with division of 100, let's say for example, you have not another number now, not differentiate 100x. How do you find the minus of 100x? How do you do that? Just know that in as much as the power of x is 1, it's not greater than 1, it's not less than 1. In as much as the power of x is 1, the differentiation of it is its what? Coefficient. That is, differentiation of 100x is what? 100. Differentiation of 200x is what? 200. Differentiation of 300x is still what? 300. Differentiation of 1x is what? 1. That's why we say that by the x of ordinary x. Ordinary x means what? 1x. This is what? 1. Of 2x, it is what? 2. The differentiation is always 2. Now let's have, if you have more complex question, how do you really differentiate? Assuming you are asked to find the y dx of what? 3x squared. Find the y dx of 3x squared. Let me change the marker. How do you do y dx of 3x squared? Very simple. This is the formula. N x raised to power n minus 1. In case if there is no coefficient of x, and you also have coefficient of x in the what? N a x n raised to power what? Raised to power n minus 1. So what does it mean? In this case now you have to differentiate what? 3x squared. So your a in this case will be what? 3. Your x is 3x and your n is what? 2. That is, to do the differentiation of this one, you are not going to use this to multiply this. 2 times 3, 6s, then 2 minus 1, 1. 6s raised to power 1, 6x. As simple as that. You have to differentiate 4x squared now. You are not going to do what? 2 times 4, 8. X, 2 minus 1, 1. That's the final answer. We have to do 5x cubed. How do you do it? 3 times 5, 15. X, 3 minus 1, 2. As simple as that. That's the final answer. Even if we have to do something like 1 over 4 x raised to power 3, you have to do what? 3 times 1, 3 over 4. You know it is over 4. That's like 3 times 1 over 4 is still what? 3 over 4. Write your x back. 3 minus 1, 2. That is basically just use your power to multiply the coefficient and subtract 1 from that same power. As simple as that. Even if you have to calculate 5 over 4x raised to power 2 over 4. In this case now, numerator multiply numerator, denominator multiply numerator. 2 times 5, 10 over 4 times 4, 16. X, they are going to subtract 1 from here. So 2 over 4 minus 1 is the same thing as 2 here 1, 2 here 2. That's half minus 1. What's half minus 1? That's what? Minus half. So you have what? Minus half right here. And I do what? 2 here 5, 2 here what? 8. That is the final answer is what? 5 over 8. S is power what? Minus 1 over 2. I believe you understand the basis of differentiation right now. So watch out for the next video on how to use chain rule. Thank you. Follow up for more.